All right, Dr. Daniels, I have pain in my hamstrings. For those of you who don't know, that would be the upper back leg. When I move in bed or walk. When I tighten my neck, the pain goes away, so neck exercises help. I'm on magnesium capsules, which do help, and also have a high vitamin D level. So if you have a high vitamin D level, don't take any vitamin D. I also take K2, skip that, and pig's feet and pork hocks weekly. I would skip the pig's feet and pork hocks. Yeah, so skip the pig's feet, skip the pork hocks. Definitely don't take any vitamin D if your levels are high. And I would use foam rollers to roll out the muscle. So the reason you have that pain is there are toxins accumulating in your muscle. And if you use the foam roller, it'll roll them out. Increase your water intake. Make sure you're pooping 3 times a day. If you need help with that, Vitality Capsules at vitalitycapsules.com will certainly help. They are the internal cleanser that is comfortable enough for everyday use. So yeah, water, foam rollers, increase your vegetables. That would take care of it.